Hello and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I will show you guys how you can design a captivating social media ad flyer for your business. A flyer that is outstanding and that will attract potential clients for you. All right. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing to my channel is absolutely free. So you subscribe to get updated on latest graphic design trends and tutorials. All right. So guys, the first thing to consider before doing that, let me take this design away. The first thing to consider before making a design is the size. All right, so I'm just going to show you guys the size I use for this design, which is 1069 by 1280. All right. Okay, now the next thing I will do now is to design my flyer layout, the artwork. So what I'm going to do is to go to shape and then use this my shape. So I'm going to make this color. Um, I'm going to make this color, and the color code for this is this. So you can come over here and edit this color code to this exact thing, and you get the same color. All right. So I'll be showing you guys the color code for each of the colors I'm using. So if you want to make use of the same color like mine, you can just do it. All right. So the next I will do is to pick another shape, and then I'll put this one. Okay. Let me reduce the former one. All right. So let's edit this, and I'll bring it downward. All right. So I'll pick another shape, and then I'll raise this above the former one, and then I will choose this color. So the color code for this one is this. All right. So the next thing I'll do is to take this to the back. I'll just need to draw this to the back. All right. So the next thing here is to pick another shape, and I'll bring it closer. All right. So I'll make my radius 30 should be good, and then I'll pick this color as well. Alright, so we're heading somewhere. Now the next thing I will do is to let me lock these shapes. Alright, next thing I will do now is to import my background. So I'll go over to import, and then this will lead me straight to my gallery where I'll import the background that I used earlier. Okay, so I'm going to be using this, so I'll just place this here for now. All right, so I'll take this to the back. Okay, so the next thing is that I'll pick a circle. Oh, before I do that, I'll take this to the back of all the layers I have. All right, something like this, and then I'll pick a circle. So I just need to reduce this, increase this radius to 100, and the square will turn to a circle. I'll bring it over here, and I'll make this color this side. So this side will be for my logo. Okay, so that will be for my logo. All right. So the next thing I'll do is to put the pictures of my work. For this flyer, I will be using a hair fashion brand. All right, you can use any brand of your choice, and each brand works with their color. So you use a very nice color palette for the brand you are making. So now we'll just head over to shapes, and then I'll pick this. Okay, I'll bring it over here. Bring it over here. So I will need to reduce this color a bit to make it not that white. Okay. I think this should be great. All right. So I just need to adjust this and position it somewhere. All right. So after I've done this, I will just need to go to my gallery, sorry, my texture to put an image. Let's choose. So to get images for your design, you can easily go to Google and search for your brand, and you see free to use images without copyright. So, but this images of my clients, the design I made earlier. So, I'll be dropping a link to this image, but you can get something like this on the net. So, you just need to search on Google and you see this exact image there. All right. So, as you can see, I have my image. So, what I will do next now is to go to stroke, and we'll enable the stroke. All right, stroke. Okay, and then I'll pick this color I made earlier. Then I'll head to shadow. So I'll give this shadow. So this 10 should be great. And then, okay. But I'll just need to duplicate this and I'll position it here. All right, I'll position this here. So I'll use this for my guide to get a balanced and an aligned design. Okay, with the same procedure, I'll just need to go to texture and then I'll change the texture to a different one. So in this case, I will use this one. All right, this one should be great. Okay, so the next is to copy this and I'll bring it over here. Sorry, I'll bring it over here. And then I'll head to texture. I will delete this and I'll add another texture, which should be this one. Okay. So I just need to crop the part I want to emphasize on, like I'm emphasizing on the hair. So which is what I will show up here. All right. So what I will do next is to make sure that all my stuffs are balanced and aligned. Okay. To make sure they are aligned. So let me move this stuff over here. So I can increase this. I can shift it up. I'll move it up. Then I'll move this one too. So they'll all be balanced. All right. So the next thing I'll do is to insert the upper picture. So I will, okay, I'll still pick this shape and I will enlarge it. I will enlarge. All right. I will enlarge this way. And then I will go to, okay, I'll go to that same texture as well. And then I'll pick this one, which should be the front. Okay. All right. So I just need to move this somewhere here. Then I'll take this to the back. Think to the back of everything. Okay, here. So for this one, what I will do next is to, all right, so let me position this well. Position it well. All I'm emphasizing on is the hair, so I'll make the hair to show up very well. And then I'll go over to shadow and I will reduce the opacity of the shadow because this shadow is too dark. So I just need to come over here and I will make this light or faint. Okay, so this is great. So the next thing I'll do, since I've made my artwork, okay, I'll still need to put in something here. It should be the background for my icons, so it should be something small around here. Okay, the color should be okay. This color. All right. So I'm just going to duplicate this depending on the kind of write-up I need. So for this case, I'm just writing three things. So I'll position it at the exact place I will lay the icons. So guys, if you just joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Turn on the bell icon so you can receive updates whenever I upload new video tutorials on any graphic related tutorials. Alright. So guys, as you can see, this is looking good, it's looking amazing. Our artwork is ready. So what the only thing left now is to write your text. Your text and I think that's just what is left. And then to put your details, the kind of thing you want to see on your flyers. So for this, I've written some text. So to avoid wasting time, I have my text down. It says I'll write. Okay, let me show you. To write text, just head to text and then you write the text you need. Maybe okay, sales I did in like I did for my client sales, and then you bring it over here. You pick a color that will you blend with your design. So the color I used there was I used the dark parts, which was this one. All right, sales, and then you choose a bold font that will emphasize, that will give your customers the main thing you're emphasizing on the design. So I'll head to fonts. Now pick a bold but related font to fashion. So which is something like this. Okay. So I used stuff like this. Sales. And I'll make sure it's all balanced. Alright, so this is great. It's great. Next thing I'll do is the other test. So I'll just need to enable them. I've written them earlier. Okay. So I'll just move this to the front so you see them. So this is a font I used. So to change colors between two fonts, so I wrote this at once, as you can see. And then to change your colors, you go to fonts. Sorry, you go to color. And then over here, you can select to change the color of anyone you want, like this. So you can make this color or this color or this one. So that's it. So that's for changing different colors. All right. All right, so I'll just need to activate all these ones. So I'll take it to the front. So this front, writing of all this will actually take time. So that's why I wrote them beforehand to front, to front. Okay. Okay, let me lock all these ones. So guys, from here, you just need to position each of the tests. Okay, each of the tests to where it belongs. So I'm still going to explain more on this test of a thing. So this was instructions or the content given to me by my clients. All right, to put a background in your tests. Okay, I will come to that. So this is media sales. All right, so it's either I place this at this side or I balance it up with the sales. All right, so I decided to put this at the center of my sales, so I'll have a balanced design. And then this one should come over here. So to put a background, okay, on your text, you just come to background, so you can deactivate this and see there's no background. And then this, there is a background. So you can just write a text, or sorry, you can just write a text, hello. And then you add a background to this. So you just come over to background and then add backgrounds with colors, and then you can change the paddling and all of this. All right, so I'm just going to delete this and then I'll work with this one. So I'll make sure this thing is balanced with the sales test. So I'll make sure all this is at the center of the sales. As you can see this, so I'll need to raise this up a bit, raise it up, then I will raise this one up. So this one, as you can see here, I used a different color to emphasize on these braids. So this different color I use separated from this gives this a different meaning. All right. Okay. So what I will do here now is to add some things here to make it look more presentable. So for this test, to make a text bold and some light, you just need to come over to this bold style, and then you select this. You can make this payment bold. After writing the text, you can make this payment bold, as you can see, or you can just leave it as it is. So this is how you can just cancel it. Sorry, I just cancel this, or you make it bold, or you cancel. All right. So this is how I did all this. All right. So I'm just going to make sure all these are balanced and aligned. Equal spacing. Equal spacing gives your design a professional look. So once I'm done, as you can see, I think the spacings are equal. They are equal. So I'm just going to pick a shape, then I'll turn it to circle. Then I'll make this, all right, I'll make this very small. Okay. Then I'll bring it over here. So let me use this line to roll. So I'll bring it over here. Okay, let me use some spacing. Okay, should be great. Right, so the next I will copy this and put it on the next one. Sorry. I'll bring it down to the next one, send us a DM on WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll put it at center. And then I'll bring it, make sure it's aligned with the one above. So the next I will copy also, bring it downward. And then put it at the center of the next one, which is this. Okay. So as you can see, our designs are looking good to go. All right, so what are we missing? Okay, the next thing is to put the icons of all this, like shop your favorite bread on discount. This should have an icon. Delivery stats, delivery icons. Okay, I think I downloaded some recently. So I'm just going to, all right, so let me move this my stuff above so I can get an alignment here. So I'll move this upward. As you can see, okay, I'll move this upward a bit. And then I'll move the other ones, delivery stats. So I'll move this downward to be aligned with my, okay. Then pick up, all right, pick up. So bring this downward. So guys, next thing is you can just download a delivery PNG and then place it here and here, and you're good to go. So thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next tutorial. So to save this, go over here and then you save and choose Ultra as the saving quality.